What's that? What is that? I know. Wheel wheels or tire. Shoes. Good job. Colors. What color? What's that? Grapes. Balloons. What color ng balloon? Color? Violet. Very good. Or purple. How about that? Pink. This one. What color is this? Peach. Very good. This one. What is this? Brown. What animal? No, animal. What animal is this? Bear. Dito tayo sa colors. Colors. Very good. Oh. What color is that? Orange. White. Black. White. Black. This one. Purple. This one. How about this? Gray. This one. Peach. How about this? What? What is this? Pink. This one. This one. Colors. What is this? Color? No? Yellow. This one. This one. How about this? Orange. Dito pa. Baliktad. What is that? What is this? Ano to? Flower. This. Next. Oh, next. Tapos, wala na. Open mo. Open the book. What is this?
Ano kailangan gawin, Miss Della?
Open mo dito.
Okay.
What is this? Umbrella. This one. Orange. Violet. Grapes. Violet. Balloons. This one. No? Sleeper. Ito, ano to? Pear. Anong pear? Oh, what is this? Ito ang top. Yup. Very good. Ito. Elephant. Color? What color? Yes, nag-stamp ang elephant. What color nga? What color, baby? Oh, what is this? Ito, oh. Ito. Ito, oh, muna. Oh, what is this? Ito, oh. Ano to? Ano yan? Wheel. Ito ay shoes. Next. What is this? Bunny. What color? Ah, hahap. Agoy, naghapa. Oo, madapa. Oh, anong color ng bunny? Color? Color ano si bunny? Sleeping. Color ano? What color, bunny? Nalimutan na. What color is this? What color? Color? Nako. Color white? Saan ang color white? Point the color white. Where's the color white? Ay. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye muna.
Bye-bye.